Hello, dear learners. Today we are going to discuss the MCQs from hospital and clinical pharmacy. We are on the chapter the computer applications in hospital pharmacy. If you will talk about the last chapter from the hospital pharmacy, that is nothing but computer applications in hospital pharmacy. So, today we are on part 1 wherein we are going to talk few of the computer applications to maintain the records and all. Okay, so part 1 includes few of the MCQs from the computer applications and there are various other parts. So come here on Pharmacy Info Line and enjoy the MCQs along with the explanation, and that too such a unique topic wherein you will get very few MCQs on the computer applications in the hospital pharmacy. So to start with the first question, the question is the heart of computer is dash. Whether the heart of computer is CPU, whether the heart of computer is ALU, whether it is RAM RAM or main switch, which amongst the given is the heart of computer? So this is the first standard बच्चे का question. It is very simple. The heart of computer, if you will talk about, this is nothing but CPU. Okay. So the correct answer is it is CPU. Heart of computer is CPU, wherein all the data storage occurs here. Okay. Next question is the CD-ROM is a dash. Whether it is a secondary memory, whether it is a memory register, whether it is the semiconductor memory or stratospheric memory, which amongst the given is correct for CD-ROM? You can put your answer in the comment box fast. Till that we will go for explanation. You can put your answer like way question 2 B, question 2 D, so that you will be able to give the answers quickly and it will not be much time consuming till I explain. Okay. So the CD-ROM, if you will talk about, it is a secondary memory which consists of not only CD-ROM, that is compact disk read only memory. Okay, compact disk is CD and ROM is read only memory, which is called as CD-ROM, and along with CD-ROM other secondary memories consist of HD, USB flash drive, okay, CD, digital video disc, okay, etc. So CD-ROM is a secondary memory. The correct answer is it is A. CD-ROM is a secondary memory. Next question is dash is the capability of hospital computer system. मतलब हॉस्पिटल के कंप्यूटर सिस्टम का कैपेबिलिटी इसमें से कौन सा है? Whether it keeps the medication orders, whether medication changes it can do, whether bill destruction it can do, or drug degradation or it is responsible for drug degradation. इसमें से कौन सा कैपेसिटी कंप्यूटर के पास होता है where we are working in hospital pharmacy? You can put your answers in the comment section fast and you can verify it later on. So the correct answer is it is medication orders. Why? Because it can just simply place the orders, okay, issue the medications and it can keep the record. Whereas it cannot change the medication, it cannot destroy the bills, it cannot degrade the drug present in the formulation, okay. So the correct answer is it is medication orders. Next question is dash system inventory levels are manually checked. In which of the given system the inventory levels are manually checked? Whether it is periodic inventory control system, whether it is perpetual inventory control system, whether it is systematic inventory control system or biologic inventory control system, which amongst the given inventory control system is for the inventory level wherein the inventory levels are manually checked? So the correct answer is, you can put your answer in the comment section. The correct answer is, it is periodic inventory control system. Why it is periodic inventory control system? Because after some time we will check the stock again. That is, for example, if we will talk about whatever the total quantity we have purchased, say for example, we had purchased in the morning 10 pens, okay, then 8 out of that are sold. So periodically you will check, periodically you will count that how much stock was there, okay, how much out of that it was sold, and then what is the remaining quantity, okay. So the inventory quantities are updated at the end of the period, taking the physical inventory count, okay. सो इससे हम लोगों को ये पता चलता है कि कितने एटम्स बेचे गए हैं, ओके, कितने एटम्स बचे हुए हैं, until we count closing inventory, okay, left until we count closing inventory, मतलब कितने बचे हैं, okay, कितने sold out हो चुके हैं. This all things we come to know from the periodic inventory control system. So the correct answer is, the inventory levels which are manually checked is by periodic inventory control system. Next question is, dash system maintains the running balance of the stock. रनिंग बैलेंस ऑफ द स्टॉक मेंटेन करने का काम कौन करता है? परपीचुअल इन्वेंट्री कंट्रोल सिस्टम करता है, पीरियोडिक इन्वेंट्री कंट्रोल सिस्टम करता है, सिस्टमैटिक इन्वेंट्री कंट्रोल सिस्टम करता है, या बायोलॉजिक इन्वेंट्री कंट्रोल सिस्टम करता है? विच अमंग्स द गिवन इज करेक्ट फॉर मेंटेनिंग द रनिंग बैलेंस ऑफ द स्टॉक? The correct answer is, it is perpetual inventory control system, okay. Now herein what happens in case of perpetual? It is the inventory quantities are updated after each transaction. That means we know exactly how many atoms were sold and we know exactly how many atoms are left. So it is perpetual inventory control system, okay. The correct answer is, it is perpetual inventory control system which maintains the running balance, okay. Next question is, MEDLARs stand for dash. Now MEDLARs is the abbreviated form, and it is the abbreviated form of whether medical literature analysis and retrieval system, medical literature automatic and revital system, whether it is medical list analysis and retrieval system, or none of these. Which amongst the given is correct for MEDLARs? The medical literature database, which is MEDLARs, the full form, the abbreviated forms का full form है M for medical, okay, then literature analysis, L for, see this med for medical, L for literature, A for analysis, R for retrieval, S for system. So it is medical literature analysis and retrieval system, wherein the approximately 40 computerized databases are maintained by NLM. ओके, तो अभी NLM क्या है? इट इज़ नेशनल लाइब्रेरी ऑफ मेडिसिन, वेर इन अराउंड 3000 बायोमेडिकल जर्नल्स आर बीइंग बैक टू 1966. So it is Medline, which is a complete database of articles. Slitline is also there, okay, which are the additions to the Medline. Then AIDSline is also there, which is the database or of information on AIDS. So it is AIDSline, okay. So these are nothing but the various medical literature databases, okay. The MEDLAR is medical literature analysis and retrieval system, okay. Next question is, important database used in drug information center is dash. Whether it is Medline, whether it is C, whether it is Pascal, or whether it is Microsem, which amongst the given is correct about the important database in the Drug Information Center? The correct answer is it is Medline, which is the important database wherein one can use it in the Drug Information Center. Medline. Okay. Next question is Medline stands for dash. Whether the Medline stands for Medlars Online, Medicine Online, Medical Online, or Missile Online. Which amongst the given is correct for Medline? The correct answer is it is Medline, means Medlars Online. Okay. So it is A. Medline stands for Medlars Online. Next question is following software is used in the drug information retrieval, whether it is Mechanics, whether it is Microsim, whether it is Medlar or Triple D. Which software is used in the drug information retrieval? It is definitely Medlar, which we have discussed in our previous questions also, that is it is medical literature analysis and retrieval system. So it is nothing but it is Medlar. Okay. Here you can see. Next question is dash computer program are made for interaction screening. That means इसमें से कौन सा ऐसा कंप्यूटर प्रोग्राम है जो इंटरैक्शन स्क्रीनिंग के लिए बनाया गया है? दैट मीन्स इट इज़ अ क्विक रेफरेंस for the prescription drug interactions. That means if a patient is being if the patient is being prescribed with some drug therapy, then it can check the interactions fast. Okay, interaction screening. So it is whether it is Medi4, whether it is Medline, whether it is Medlars or Medsim, which amongst the given is the correct for the computer program which is made for interaction screening purpose? That means drug interaction screening purpose. The correct answer is it is Medi4. Medi4 is nothing but monitoring evaluation of drug interactions by a pharmacy oriented reporting. That means this is the system issues a warning when potential interacting drugs are prescribed for a patient. Medi4. Interactive drugs can be avoided. So with this, the correct answer is it is A, that is Medi4, which is an interaction screening computer program. With this, we finish with few of the MCQs from computer applications in hospital pharmacy, part 1, and stay tuned with us for part 2 from computer applications in hospital pharmacy and various other MCQs on Pharmacy Info Line along with the explanation. Thank you.